Hello and welcome. Today we'll be reading the story called Professor Blue by Gabriel Rosenstock. Sacre bleu. I'm Professor Blue. I was born under a blue moon. I don't like clouds at all, do you? Give me a big blue sky. Blue, blue, blue. What do you reckon? Bah! I don't like that color. That's much better. Much, much better. I like to walk the beach. What about you? It's got to be a blue flag beach, of course. The sea, such delightful colors. How perfectly gorgeous. I have a Kerry Blue Terrier. His name is Blue. He's as old as the hills. My favorite flower, bluebells, of course. I'm mad about blue cheese. I sing the blues every night. My favorite film, The Blue Angel. What else? My favorite poem, Bluebirds by Han Haun. When I die, I'll be a bluebird flying about in the blue sky above the blue fields, singing blue songs and weeping blue tears. Hope you guys like that. Nighty-night, bluebird, bluebird, nighty-night, bluebeard. I have blue dreams. Oh, blue, blue. Blue everything. One morning, blue flies. What's that terrible racket? What's wrong with you all? We're in the blue phase, telling you. Blue, 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 blue. Ah, so much color. Much, much better. The end. All the beautiful colors. Hope you enjoyed the reading for Professor Blue, and hope to see you next time. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more cool stories like Professor Blue.